Today we're making a classic comfort food, chicken cordon bleu, but we're making it keto and low carb. It's crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside, and there are no breadcrumbs at all. We'll start off by mixing the topping. You will need 1 cup of superfine almond flour, 1 cup of parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika. And mix it all together very well. Then in a separate bowl, lightly beat 2 eggs. And then it's time to put things together. Lay a thinly pounded chicken breast flat. Season it with salt and pepper. Place a piece of ham and Swiss cheese on the center. And roll it closed and secure it with toothpicks. Then dip it in the eggs. And lastly, coat it in the almond flour mixture. Place it on a parchment-lined pan. And repeat these steps with all the chicken breasts you're using. This recipe made 12 chicken breasts. You could easily cut it down for a smaller batch. Then bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches at least 165 Fahrenheit. And then let it rest a few minutes, remove the toothpicks, and enjoy. See you next time.